great class today, but why did you focus on Malthus and overpopulation?
Malthus theory really can come true.
Yeah, the African devolution.
You hear about that central place
Have you
theory?
heard this new rice farm? Oh yeah.
Why central place theory like that, Michael?
I think it's overpopulation.
Have a great day, class. See you guys. These kids have no idea.
Michael, I think I forgot my watch.
I think I found my AirPods. You gotta get it real quick. Yeah, let's get it.
We have a few more minutes before the bell rings.
No, oh my god. I don't want to be late to the next class. I really.
My guac. Michael, we have to tell others about this.
Yeah, she has a gauntlet. She's gonna
Let's
destroy
go.
half
Let's
the
go. Let's go.
population.
Let's go. Guys, she has the gauntlet.
We need Avengers!
Do not let this not raise the population.
Let's go.
We gotta confront her.
Avengers! My guac.
I knew you were evil, Miss Niles.
I knew she was cray cray.
They just take the L with
Evil or crazy.
What are we gonna do now, Logan?
I guess we should just call the Avengers.
Who is this?
Hello?
Bro.
What?
Alright, we'll be right there. Captain, what is wrong? What happened?
They need us right now. Chase, wake up. Chase, wake up! The Avengers are here!
Malthus, stop! You're gonna put Africa in stage 3 of the DTM.
You're gonna ruin the population pyramid.
My plantation's gonna be ruined.
You should have studied devolution.
Malthus, what do you do with my friends? I'm gonna get you back for this one.
Meanwhile.
Did you hear about Curtis's rice farm? I did.
Wait, what notes?
But what is this? Here, Ryan.
Do you understand it?
Wait, where did all my friends go?
Today was so crazy.
I know.
can't believe we still have to study for the final.
I ain't ready for that final.
What other weird stuff happens at this school?
Everything's weird at this school, isn't it?
What's that kid?
We're all gonna get
What is that kid?
Zach, what's your Where did he go? Where's Zach?
I don't know.
Zach, this isn't funny.
I need Iron Man. Stark here?
Mr. Stark, we need backup. Malthus is here.
Malthus is here?
Yeah.
Peter, I'm on my way. Peter, where's Malthus? Follow me. Alright. Malthus, it's over.
I am inevitable.
Peter, we gotta go. Mr. Stark, you know what you need to do.
Captain, let's go. You can help the other.
Huh? We're here. Let's get the gauntlet. Mr. Stark, I got the gauntlet. It's over, Malthus. Malthus, it's time to erase you for good.
I failed. Go! Okay, you did it.
Mr. Stark, I got the gauntlet.
Good as the last one. We're gonna keep the last one.
Whoa, what are y'all doing?
We're recording the Avengers Endgame.
Thanos is gonna ruin my plantation.
The Avengers
You can't let that happen.
Please no.
Alright.
No, 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 no.